I'm running Facebook ads just like how you said, and I'm not getting any sales. What's the problem?
No, I don't waste no time.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Ask Saad. In today's episode, I'm going to be answering all the questions that you have been sending me on a DM just about Facebook. So this episode is going to be just Facebook, answering all your questions. So let's go for the first question. So first question is, I'm running Facebook ads just like how you said, and I'm not getting any sales. What's the problem? Okay, first of all, you didn't tell me what you're selling. Second of all, you didn't tell me what pricing. Third of all, I don't even know your creatives. So there is 3 reasons why you're not getting sales at all. One could be your pricing is too high, or you're probably selling the same exact product that every dropshipper is selling at the moment, and you're just selling it for a higher price. That's one thing. Second thing is your creative is really not converting. It's just basically an image or a video that's not really touching the pain point of your potential customer. The third one could be your targeting. Could be your targeting is not perfect. You probably watched my video, but then again, there is so many things that comes down to the targeting. If you are in my course, you will exactly understand what I'm talking about when it comes to targeting. So 3 things: your pricing, your targeting, or your creatives. Fix these 3, you will have your sales. Now let's move on to the second question. I'm getting so many add to cart and no sales. Oh my God, this is an interesting one. So you're getting so many add to carts and no sales. That means people are interested in your products. They like the video. They like the fact that it's maybe solving a problem for them, but they're not purchasing it at the end of the day. So if you have the dashboard that I'm talking about in my course, you'll be able to see exactly where the problem is. It the problem on the add to cart? Is it in a checkout, or is it on the purchase? And I believe your problem is basically your shipping price is too expensive, because people, they see the price already on the website, they click add to cart and they go to the checkout. So when they go to the checkout, they bounce off. There is a reason. Either your website is slow, or there is a scammy title or something that gets them off the page, or 100% I would say will be you're charging too much on the shipping price, or you're probably offering them free shipping, and when they get to the checkout, they see a price on the shipping. So this way, you have to fix that. You look at it, or you can install one of the apps called Hotjar, where you can actually see what's going on your store. You can see where people clicks and the reason why they get off the page. Now let's move on to the third question. Third question says, I love this kind of question. They're just straightforward. CBO or ABO? Like, you gotta decide, Saad. You gotta tell me, CBO or ABO? CBO, which is campaign budget optimization for people who doesn't know, and ABO means ad set budget optimization. So if I had to choose 2 of them, I would go with ABO, because then that way I can control every cost of the ad. Like, I know exactly how much I'm putting on each interest or each audience, and I know exactly how much I'm making out of it. With CBO, you're just trusting Facebook to deliver that, to basically split that budget that you're giving them every day, let's say $100, splitting it throughout the whole day based on their algorithm and their way of thinking. So it's less basically control when it comes to the CBO, but more control the ABO. You know exactly what you're doing. And I always talk about, stop testing your audiences or your creatives and all of that with ABO, so you give them a chance to spend that much money and see the results. And then when it comes to the scaling, then you can use CBO. You're 100% sure that these interests or these audiences are a winner, and now it's time to scale them with CBO. Fourth question. Long copy versus short copy. Oh my God, this is like the debate of the century. So long copy or short copy? I would say long copy all day, every day, because you wanna tell people who you are, what's your products, the benefits of your product, testimonials and all of that. You wanna give them a story. People buy on story. They don't just buy on like, you love this, get it now. No one want to get that, because they want to know who you are, first of all, and what's the reason to shop with you, and why they should trust you, and why there is a story behind your brand or behind your product and all of that. So long copy always sells. Short copy, I do use it only for the BOF, which is bottom of funnel. That way people know your story, they know who you are, they have seen your brands everywhere, they probably own your brand and all of that. You can just hit them with a quick short copy. You don't have to be too long and all of that. So retargeting, bottom of the funnel, short copy. TOF, top of the funnel, long copy. Tell that story, man. Last question, which is video ads or image ads. Here we go. I will go with video ads simply because you are able to see how many people watch your video, 20%, 25%, 50%, 70%. This way you basically can segment each audience. People who they didn't watch much of your video, that means they're not interested. People who watched the whole video all the way to the end and they did not convert, that means they are interested, but something got them off the deal. Could be the price, could be they were driving while looking at your ad, could be disturbed with the kids and they didn't have time to go to your website and purchase all of these things. But if they have not watched the video all the way to 50%, it doesn't show that they are interested in your product. So all the time, video ads all the time. Only I use images for retargeting because at this point, they have seen the feature of the product, they have seen the benefits of it, they have seen people talking about it, like testimonials from customers or influencers or whatever. Like they have seen it multiple times. You don't want to give them the same content because that way, subconsciously, they can't see that content anymore because it's just repetitive all the time. They get used to it, they scroll. You want to hit them with something different and it's not too much. And that can be an image. So an image for bottom of the funnel, it's the best one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sending me all these questions. I'm happy that I get to actually answer them all here because I know it takes so much time to do it over Instagram. If you have more questions, send them to me on my Instagram. I'll always do these videos and these Q&As here. And if you want more information, I have linked down below one of my free courses so you can go through it and understand exactly the step-by-step of how you can set up Facebook ads, all the issues that you might be dealing with, and then understanding the right way of how you can put targeting on all of that. It's for free. Just click the link below. Join, go through the course and get everything you want from it and all the value I have shared with you there. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next week. Peace.